these two players are going to do their scene, and sometimes they'll call for a sound effect, which you'll provide by leading to the microphone. Pretty easy. So, yeah, just if he's opening the door. Alright, so to get these two started, give me a location that'll fit on our stage here.
Spaceship.
Hello.
Laboratory. Spaceship.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let's get an event instead.
The Olympics.
The Olympics is the first one out. This is sound effects.
Alright, I'm ready this year, John. I'm participating in every event the Olympics has.
I'm not ready yet, but don't tell anybody. I'm going to shoot with some steroids first. I got chipped. You put nothing but air in the syringe.
You shouldn't be doing steroids.
Fine. No air in the syringe.
Practice it.
All right. So,
I'm going to throw this javelin. Watch how far I throw it without steroids.
you made her laugh. That's how bad you are. Whatever. All right. I'm gonna try this. I know I'm a scaled version of a triple jump. I don't really know how to do this. Then.
Okay, you event.
Hold on. Sorry. I didn't have any shoes on. That's why I was so quiet. Now I got shoes. Well, listen.
You're the Velcro going, aren't they?
Shoes, speak.
Aren't they Velcro?
All right, so let me do the triple jump. Louder. Sorry, I had a lot to eat. Is that better? Is that better? Okay. And the last one, into the pile of sand.